Welcome, in front of me is a LENOVO Phab 2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's go into the settings, and from here we're looking for storage. So there it is, storage and USB, and in here you should see your SD card, so tap on it and then go to the three dots, settings, and in here you should see format. So select that. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card. So if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it. But assuming you don't want to, or you have done that already, tap on erase and format right here. The process will begin. It only takes a couple of seconds. Once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used as it is right now. Tap on done, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.